got some of these termite bait traps that also kill termites, and they have this pin that pops up supposedly to tell you that termites have been into them. And the biggest complaint online on reviews are that this pops up without termites being inside. Well, I think I figured out why. When I got these, I had one of these that was already missing this little end. Basically, this is a piece of wood that goes through the shaft and holds this pin down. It's spring-loaded. And the idea is, if the termites eat the wood, then the pin will pop up. Well, this little metal clip here is not quite enough to hold it in place. They can pop out really easy. So, what I'm going to do is just use a hot glue gun and add some hot glue around this end to hold that in place. Now, I can't do it while filming because I require two hands, so I'll do that and I'll show you the end result. All right, so I've hot glued that. Let me zoom in here so you can see. I just hot glued all the way around it. That's plenty enough to hold that clip in place, and it shouldn't fall off now. So now they have to eat the material inside to make the pin pop up. So I would suggest you do this to all of them before you put them in the ground. If you found this useful, please give it a thumbs up and, you know, possibly follow me for more things like this in the future. Thank you very much for watching.